guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to do a full face of makeup without using any makeup brushes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. To start off the look, I'm going to use my Mercier Radiance Primer. We're not going to be using any brushes. I decided to go with a BB cream. This one is from Rimmel London. It's a matte 9-in-1 BB cream and it's in the shade Light. I'm going to start by just dotting it around my face and then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Hey Honey Trick or Treat Concealer. I'm going to use this one on any blemishes that I have. And then for my under eye, I'm going to use my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And this is in the shade Light as well. I'm also going to put a little bit on my lids with an eyeshadow primer. Alright, and to set my under eyes, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going to use the little tiny sponge that comes with it. Alright, so to bronze up the face a little, I'm going to use my Cover FX Contour Kit, and this is in light medium. I'm going to take the lighter of the two shades, which is number 3, and I'm going to very lightly blend it out with my finger. Alright, and for my blush, I'm going to be using my Sephora Colorful Cheek Gel. I'm going to take just a very little bit and dab it on each cheek and blend it with my finger. And then for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Brow Precise Fiber Volume by Maybelline. This technically has a wand, so I might be cheating, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just brush it all over my brows. Alright, and for my highlight, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. This is going to be in the shade 100. Okay, so moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow, and this is in Half Baked. Just going to take my finger and rub this all over the lid. I'm going to kind of blend it into my crease just a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking a Elizabeth Mott shadow, and this is in the shade Toasted. I'm going to just be putting this in my outer corners to add a little definition. So next I'm going to tightline my upper lash line with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and this is in the shade Brown. And then I'm going to use my Tarte mascara on both top and bottom lash line. To finish off the look, I'm going to be putting on my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Melted Melon. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see any of my future videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day guys. Bye!